Folks, we've got a problem. It's not just about what's happening on our farms, but what's happening beneath our feet and in the lives of the animals we depend on. We've taken our chickens off the land and put them in buildings that look more like prisons than farms. These places are crowded, noisy, and far removed from the natural world. These birds never touch the soil or see the sun. Their entire lives are spent under artificial lights, with no fresh air or green grass. They never get to scratch and peck for bugs and worms like a chicken is supposed to. Their natural instincts are stifled, and their health suffers for it. This isn't just a problem for the chickens, it's a problem for our soil. When chickens are removed from the land, the earth loses a vital partner in its own renewal. We've broken a fundamental cycle of nature. The connection between animal, plant, and soil is disrupted, and everything suffers as a result. The animal, the plant, and the soil are supposed to work together. Each one supports the others, creating a system that's healthy and resilient. By separating them, we've created a system that pollutes on one end and depletes on the other. Waste piles up in one place, while nutrients are stripped away somewhere else. Chickens are designed to scratch, peck, and turn scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Their natural behaviors help break down organic matter and return life to the soil. Locking them in cages means we lose their soil-building potential and natural pest control. The garden misses out on their help, and the chickens miss out on a good life. Instead of a partner in farming, the chicken becomes a liability, a source of concentrated waste. This waste can pollute waterways and create health hazards. The soil, deprived of natural fertility, becomes tired and weak. It loses its structure, its life, and its ability to support healthy plants. So we douse it with chemical fertilizers. These quick fixes mask the problem, but they don't solve it. These chemicals give plants a quick jolt, but do nothing for long-term soil health. Over time, the soil becomes more dependent and less alive. We're putting our gardens on life support, dependent on artificial inputs. The natural cycles that once sustained our land are fading away. But we can fix this. We can bring back the balance that nature intended. We can put the chicken back into the system. By letting them roam, forage, and fertilize, we restore their role as nature's helpers. Whether you have 100 acres or 100 square feet, the principles are the same. Every bit of land can benefit from this partnership. By understanding how poultry interact with their environment, we can heal our soil and grow healthier food. It's a win for the land, the animals, and for us. It's time to reconnect our animals to our land and rediscover the power of working with nature. When we do, we create abundance and resilience for generations to come. Let's restore the dance between animal and earth. Let's bring back the harmony that once made our farms and gardens thrive. Our food system and our soil depend on it. The future of our land, our food, and our communities is in our hands. Imagine two chickens. They may look similar at first glance, but their lives could not be more different. First, the factory-farmed bird. Over 99% of U.S. chickens live this way, raised in vast, crowded warehouses. 25,000 birds packed into a broiler house, each with less than a square foot of space, never seeing sunlight or grass. Their world is artificial light, metal, and concrete. They eat processed grain, breathe ammonia, and live in a system designed for efficiency, not animal welfare. Their lives are short, stressful, and disconnected from nature. Now, picture the pasture-raised bird. Its life is a world apart. Outside on green grass, moved daily to fresh pasture, protected but free to scratch, peck, and bask in the sun. These chickens enjoy fresh air, open space, and the rhythms of the natural world. These birds express natural behaviors and help create vibrant, living landscapes. Their presence supports biodiversity and healthy ecosystems. The difference isn't just visual, it's biological, environmental, and ethical. Waste from factory farms pollutes waterways, while manure from pasture-raised flocks fertilizes the soil, building fertility and life. One system pollutes, the other regenerates. The impact ripples out to the land, water, and air. Eggs from pasture-raised hens have more omega-3s, vitamin E, and beta-carotene than factory eggs. They're richer in color, flavor, and nutrition. Why? Because they eat a diverse, natural diet, grasses, seeds, and insects, just as chickens are meant to. The health of the animal, the land, and the person eating the food are all connected. It's a cycle of nourishment and care. Supporting pasture-raised poultry means supporting a system that honors all three: animal welfare, environmental health, and human well-being. It's a choice that matters every time you shop or sit down to eat. When you choose pasture-raised, you choose regeneration, resilience, and a better future for food. And that's a difference you can truly taste and feel good about. Poultry on the land are nature's best sanitation and fertilization crew. These birds are constantly at work, transforming the landscape in subtle but powerful ways. Chickens scratch for insects and seeds, aerating the soil and controlling pests without chemicals. Their natural behaviors help keep harmful bugs in check, reducing the need for synthetic sprays. Their scratching is light tillage, improving soil structure and water penetration. Over time, this gentle disturbance helps break up compacted earth, making it easier for roots to grow and water to soak in. As they eat pests, they turn them into protein and deposit nitrogen-rich manure. This process not only benefits the chickens, but also enriches the land with valuable nutrients. This manure, spread in small doses, feeds soil biology and builds topsoil. Microbes and earthworms thrive, breaking down organic matter and creating a living, healthy soil. On our farm, we follow cattle with hens. This mimics natural patterns, where birds trail larger animals, cleaning up after them and benefiting from the process. The cows graze, then hens scratch through manure, eat fly larvae, and add their own fertilizer. This breaks pest cycles and keeps pastures cleaner and healthier. This simple pattern increases soil fertility year after year. The results are visible in greener grass, richer soil, and more resilient pastures. We're literally building new soil by letting animals be themselves. Each season, the land grows healthier, more productive, and more alive. Integrated pasture-based farming is powerful. It brings together animals, plants, and people in a system that supports everyone. It's a closed-loop system that works with nature, not against it. Every creature has a role, and nothing goes to waste. Let poultry do what they do best, and watch your land thrive. With every scratch and peck, they help restore balance and abundance to the farm. Chickens get the spotlight, but ducks are garden heroes too. Ducks excel at controlling slugs and snails without disturbing soil or plants. Their love of water helps control mosquito larvae and fertilizes the garden with nutrient-rich duck water. Duck eggs are a culinary treasure, rich, large, and packed with nutrients from a diverse diet. Integrating a few ducks is simple. A movable pen and a kiddie pool are all you need. Rotate them through your garden for pest control and fertility. Ducks are quiet, hardy, and effective partners. They give back far more than they take. Turkeys are the heavyweights of soil prep. Their deep scratching transforms weedy, compacted ground into fertile, plant-ready soil. Use turkeys to prepare new beds or renovate tough areas. Just manage their timing. Their manure jumpstarts decomposition and boosts fertility. Turkeys offer biological tillage without destroying soil structure, raise delicious meat, and build better soil at the same time. The chicken tractor is a game changer for gardens. It's a floorless, portable pen that lets you direct chicken scratching and fertilizing exactly where you need it. Move it daily across your garden beds. Chickens weed, debug, till, and fertilize as they go. This prevents over-fertilization and compaction, spreading nutrients evenly. It mimics natural animal movement, turning manure from pollutant to resource. At Polyface, we use egg mobiles, portable hen houses moved through pastures. The principle is the same, just scaled up. Whether you have 2 chickens or 2,000, daily movement is the secret. Mobile poultry builds healthy soil. Let your birds work for you. You don't need a big farm to use these ideas. They scale to any space. A couple of chickens in a portable pen can transform a backyard garden. If you can't keep chickens, buy composted manure from a local pasture-based farm and apply it in rotations. Even container gardeners can use manure tea to feed plants with living nutrients. The key is moving away from synthetic fertilizers and embracing nature's cycles. Animals and soil belong together. By bringing poultry back into our food systems, we build fertility from the ground up. Healthier soil, healthier plants, healthier people. Try it. Your garden will thank you. Nature's solutions are right at your feet.